Good morning. Day 16 on the Camino. And we are headed to Martino's. Yes? And we have about 29K ahead of us today, which seems like a pretty average day now. Not too long, not too short. So it should take us about 6 hours to walk it. Last night we stayed in a private room and it was perfect. It said hostel, but it was more like a hotel. We had a private bathroom and like clean towels and clean linens, and it was just magnificent in every way. So we slept in a little bit, took our time getting ready, and we're just now starting to walk. It's about 7:30, so should be a pretty boring walk today. We're still going through the Meseta, so it's going to be like a lot of flatlands, but we will try to keep it entertaining for you guys. See you soon. Hey.
Crazy. 4-star hotel. Looks like an old church or something. Beep, beep, beep. He not only signed up for it, he signed up for like everything. I have no idea what this man has been doing before. 18-kilometer stretch to the next town, almost done. Probably about 1.5K left. Met up with Reino from Denmark. Just talking about life. He's been living on the Camino for the last 7 years besides COVID, and just walking. Whenever he finishes one Camino, starts another one, and lots of stories to tell, talking about just life, love, the pursuit of happiness, God, you know, war, everything. It's really, really nice seeing a new phase. Missed the old ones, but meeting new friends every single day, just talking, and it's what the Camino's about, especially on 18-kilometer days or stretches without anything. No food, no water, no buildings, nothing but this. So I lost my headphone, one of my AirPods last night. I left it in the room on accident, so that was a little rough awakening. About an hour ago when I figured that out, when Grace and I decided to listen to some books, but got a hold of the hostel who gave me the number. So for someone that's driving them to where we're stopping tonight, and it's only costing €5. So the Camino provides, the Lord provides. It's gonna be a great day. It always is on the Camino. Catch you guys shortly. Oh, hold on, buen Camino. Still can't remember the name of this town. Looks like they just had their own little festival here. Tons of banners and flags everywhere. Pretty. But we're pushing on. We only
have another 10K.
Feeling good. What time is it?
15 to 11, so.
Only 10:45, have under 2 hours left. We're feeling good, trying to push on while it is easy breezy, beautiful right now outside. On the way. Following the yellow arrows. And the girl with the yellow shirt. Yeah.
We've discovered that these are sweet peas. They're very fragrant.
Follow the arrows. Ladigos. 373 kilometers to Santiago. Help.
Help.
Reach your water, babe.
Help. I can't drink my water. Osprey, I have a bone to pick with you.
You're so strong.
Don't laugh at me, it's not funny. It's like very stuck. Alright, so we walked to our original destination and decided to go another 10K because we're crazy. Thank you. So the next town we're going to is called
Sahagun.
Sahagun, and it's, like I said, another 8 to 10K. So that rounds us off to a close 40 today. So it's long, another long bit of a walk, but it's easier in the Meseta because it's flat. So, all right, we'll keep you guys posted.
About 5K left to Sahagun. We are definitely feeling it, but ready to keep on pushing, get into town and figure out where we're staying. We haven't booked anything, but the Camino provides, oh, lizards everywhere. So just got to the albergue in Sahagun, the municipal one, and reception's not here. There's a sign on the door in Spanish saying that they'll be back at 4 o'clock to be punctual for check-in. So we got about 50 minutes, hour almost to kill. Gonna go grab a beer and some ice cream, breaking out some cookies. Yeah, we're feeling it. 40K. Almost just about a little under a marathon, I think. The hostel looks good. Gonna go look around, see what we can cook, and be on our way. Smells like fish.
Lunch?
I just left the supermarket. Someone's happy.
Pastry and a beer.
Pastry and beer.
Enjoy it.
Life is good. Watch out, steps. Back to the hostel to make dinner. And chill night tonight.
Making carbonara from a can and editing and going to bed.
As the Italians would say, it's a crime.
It's a crime.
But, you know, it'll be all right. Home for tonight in a very old restored church.
Hello.
Waiting for pasta to boil, or the water to boil to cook pasta, and dinner time. Good night, guys.
Good night. Good night.
Bedtime.
Good morning, guys. Day 17 on the Camino. We are officially over halfway. We are leaving Sahagun today and headed to Reliegos. Or we might actually go a little farther. There's a town that's about 6K farther that would cut into our walk tomorrow to Leon, and we might be able to spend a little bit more time there. But last night we slept in a old 13th century church, and it was absolutely beautiful. It was absolutely beautiful. We had nice mattresses, individual outlets. It was wonderful. We cooked dinner. All right, so maybe another long day, maybe a normal day. We'll keep you guys posted. See you on the trail.
Got a ton of shade so far today. Super thankful for that. Just walked along the road for a while. Like Grace said earlier, probably a 29-30K day, or possibly 35, 36-ish. Trying to figure that out. We'll figure it out when we get there though. And weather is gorgeous. Made it to our first town today, which means 10 or 12K down. Kilometers are dropping like flies right now. We are killing it through the plateau, through the meseta. Hola, buenos dias. So cute. You don't go to the bread, babe.
The bread comes to you.
The bread comes to you in Spain. Cows are absolutely unbothered. You probably see 100 pilgrims a day, if not more. Bodega. Bocadillos. Cervezas. Cerveza.
We've been walking for at least like 15K with nothing. So
to put it in that perspective, walking very fast for over 3 hours with nothing. Nothing but this.
But this, yeah. Fields and highways.
Every country has it. Oh! We see roof! We see roof!
Oh my god. It's like we summoned it. Yes!
Oh, I swear.
We just went down this hill and saw a rooftop.
There's a cafe. I believe I see it.
Thank Jesus.
Oh, the Lord.
I'll never ask for anything ever again.
The Lord provides.
The Lord provides.
Look what it is.
Salvation.
Supermarket filled with kitties. Hola, hola. We made it.
We made it.
Solo update. Grace cut her finger when slicing some cheese and immediately started getting dizzy and passed out quite a few times. So we called the ambulance and they're arriving here and hopefully getting stitches. So we don't have to go to the hospital. We'll probably just stay here in town tonight. And so yeah, all is good. Thank you guys so much for your help. Amazing, thank you. These guys saved the day. So now we're just, yeah, getting her stitched up and figure the next plane out. All right, so the ambulance took Grace to Mansilla, and then she's gonna call and let me know if they're taking her all the way to Leon to a proper hospital. They have a little clinic in Mansilla, so hopefully that is enough to give her some stitches. Looks like to be about 6K to the next town, so hopefully bust that out a little over an hour. And Grace just texted me saying she's done with the stitches. Hopefully she gets an albergue, and I just meet her there. So.
Hey, I survived my experience. So I just had to get a few stitches and, you know, in the hospital in Spain. It was kind of a bizarre experience because they're all speaking Spanish around me and nobody speaks English. So yeah, I need to brush up on my Espanol. This is proof. So can't take it off for 10 days and I have to keep it dry, but I'm okay.
Heading into Mansilla now. That's where I'm going. Grace is up there looking for a private room because all the albergues are full. So should only be about 5-10 minutes out. All is well. She seems to be doing fine. Just dehydrated, lack of food, lots and lots and lots of miles today in the last couple of days. So I don't blame her.
Hello.
Hello.
I missed you like crazy.
Miss you too.
It's only been an hour and a half. But I got a room. I got 6 stitches. And I didn't even pass out.
Just before the stitches.
I'm sorry. It was consequential. I think it was like dehydration and lack of food. I actually lost a fair amount of blood. So not tons, but enough to be worthy of passing out, I think.
Well, now we get our own bed to pass out in.
That's right.
There. Okay. Grace was jamming for a little while. I was late to the camera.
The audacity.
Gotta live in the moment. The audacity.